Hello everybody, this is BitSeven Crypto News Digest Daily. Google introduces search for BTC, ETH and LTC blockchain. Google is known for their ambiguous policy towards crypto and blockchain technology, which is why there's a partial block for crypto advertisement on their searching platform. They are going to provide a massive amount of data for top digital currencies and aim to make a revolutionary blockchain search system like their original one. Last year, Google Cloud released a set of data for blockchain transaction history for BTC and ETH. Yesterday was the announcement of adding another 6 datasets for more deep version of request, which will allow conducting multi-network meta-analysis and integration with traditional systems of financial reports processing. 6 new blockchain datasets were released just recently: BCH, DOGE, ETC, LTC and Zcash. Developer of Google Cloud Alan Day said in the interview to Forbes, "I'm very interested on giving quantity measure for what's happening, so we would be able to see where the real legal uses of blockchain are. In this way, people will be able to confirm it, and then we will be able to change onto the next way of using it and develop something what these technologies are going to be really suitable for." Further in the blog, it is explained on why 5 these particular assets BCH, LTC, DOGE, ZEC and DOGE were selected. Due to they all having the same realization, meaning the source code was from BTC. The last one is ETH on its own original Ethereum blockchain. All aforementioned datasets are going to be updated every 24 hours for common code base, blockchain ETL, extract transfer load. This will allow to make faster in the future transferring of datasets and executing transactions in real time. Google also offers a tool of computer-assisted learning to track patterns in transaction flows and provides basic info of using crypto addresses. Robert Jackson, SEC Commissioner, leaks possible Bitcoin ETF approval. One of the members from SEC of US unintentionally, or maybe not, hinted that Bitcoin ETF will most likely be approved in the near future. To this day, the general consensus of SEC approving Bitcoin ETF was reached, but now is a question on when it will be actually accepted. Robert Jackson said that there were several proposals on the creation of BTC funds, but didn't specify what is the company with the most chances of SEC approval. With that being said, many experts of the industry believe that 1ETH and SolidX proposal is the closest one to being successful. Here's what his accidental comment was. "In the end, I think that there will be someone satisfying the standards which we have set. I hope so and I think so." In addition, he explained why Bitcoin ETF were not approved earlier. There is no question that crypto industry is overflowed with scammers, hackers, manipulations and many other aspects. This was immediately noticed by SEC and other financial regulators, and their task is to secure investors. So, it is not surprising that SEC will treat these issues with extreme caution. Let's say that Bitcoin ETF had actually been approved. So what's next? There are many major platforms in the industry who believe that ETF will stimulate Bitcoin's growth next year, maybe even after the approval, but those are just predictions. Let's recall, previously SEC had declined Winklevoss Brothers' proposal, reasoning that they weren't able to lower risk of market manipulation and scamming. And closer to the end of the year, 1ETH and SolidX had withdrawn their own proposal, arguing it would have been refused anyway, and therefore not to make the situation worse in the long run. ICE invests $20 million in Bakkt. The Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, the operator of the New York Stock Exchange, plans to invest from $20 million to $25 million in its regulator crypto platform Bakkt by the end of the year. This was announced by Chief Financial Officer of ICE, Scott Hill. Hill noted that the amount has already been budgeted for 2019. CEO Jeff Sprecher called Bakkt a non-IC product that attracted the attention of many large investors. In January, a regulated platform for trading Bitcoin futures, Bakkt, raised about $182 million during the first round of financing. 12 large corporations will have taken a part in funding, such as Microsoft, Galaxy Digital, Pantera Capital. The launch of the platform has already been postponed twice. Currently, the startup is trying to get approval from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. First, the regulated platform was supposed to start operating in December 2018, providing traders with their own market for Bitcoin futures and custodial services. Bakkt CEO Kerry Loeffler noted that the road of exploring new markets isn't always very smooth, but this will not prevent the company from achieving its goal. She also added that the decline of cryptocurrency market did not affect the development of the platform. Ethereum hard forks on February 25th. It seems like that third in capitalization of cryptocurrency, Ethereum is ready for hard fork once again. This upgrade will be different from previously proposed one, as one block will have two forks at once. The initial one, Constantinople, and the second one, Petersburg. This appears to be the solution of Ethereum network developers to fix vulnerabilities of why previous launches were delayed. First upgrade will implement initially proposed improvements, while the second will disable the protocol that was the cause of delay. According to the report, the forks will take place on February 25, 2019, and not on 27th, like it was announced before. The block where the forks will be carried out is 7280000, and it will happen around 11 hours, 48 minutes, 25 seconds UTC. Coordinator of Ethereum hard fork and Parity Technologies Manager Afri Shodan made a Reddit post writing following. Constantinople will be active Monday 2019 or 225, approximately 11 hours, 54 minutes, 2 seconds UTC. Now the block is averaging on 16.89 seconds in time. There are 91,597 blocks remaining. Quite remarkable. This is already third potential hard fork, as it was twice delayed to the later date. And as of this writing, coincidentally or maybe as a result of this, Ethereum was able to take back its second place. In last 24 hours, ETH increased in value for 2.83% and now is traded at around $120 with $12.67 billion capitalization. However, even after this uptrend, ETH is still 90% lower than its historical maximum of January 2018. The price that could be observed at that time was up to $1,432. This was daily crypto news from BitSeven. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on BitSeven.com.